All right, y'all. Happy Labor Day. What better way to celebrate Labor Day than showing up to work? How about that? Got here a nice 4-piece 28 billet GS91s with a few personal custom touches by the customer, aka the client. So we did dual brush and polish. He made the wheels, he picked the colors, he bought the wheels, and we are just putting the tires on. We're selling him tires, and we're mounting the tires, and we're balancing the tires. He got the wheels elsewhere. We are a billet dealer. We can get these wheels. He just got them from somebody else. Just wanted to clear that up. 28-inch billets, 28 by 9 G20 van, 4-piece. Check out the detail. You got this face. The main face of the design is brush. Oh, this is brush. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The cap is high polished. I want to say hexagon. Is that 6? The cap is high polished. The billet logo. Then you got the rest of the outer cap brush. I call these little bad boys fins or blades. These are polished. These are high polished right here. All of these ribs and the polished lip. High polished lip, brushed face, polished fins or ribs, and polished hexagon on the cap. If it's not a hexagon, correct me. We wrapped them up with a 275 25 28 Lexani directional tire for directional wheel. I don't think they make them non-directional. Well, here they are. We're on the last wheel. We are balancing them now. Oh, he's done. He's done, ski. Nice wheel, nice setup. Give him props on that design. He snapped on the color. I always give credit where credit is due. The client picked and chose what he wanted brushed and what he wanted polished. About to go get bolted up. I think he needs a lift first, but he's gonna get bolted up and we'll catch him on the streets, my boy.
Si me quieren desterrar, me avisan cuando, por gusto no me voy, me quedo. Mientras salga a platicar nomás conmigo, que aquí estaré presente. Aunque tenga por su amor mil enemigos, que me hablen nada más de frente. De un rancho a otro está mi destino, de un rancho.
No shit.
It's not bad.
Yeah, for having everything in the front right there. No blow, what do you call that? Blow through? No blow through box. Loud as fuck, my boy. Sharp. You might you gonna mess with the suspension? You gonna mess with the suspension at all?
Yeah, I'm gonna drop it.
Yeah, se mira altita la cabrona.
Para bajarlo un poquito la wea.
Yeah.
Pero ya con los rines para ver qué tal.
Yeah. Yeah.
And the color is sick, bro. Cuando le pega el sol.
Painted in Mexico too?
Yeah.
Damn. I mean, I heard it's cheaper. Yeah. It's really nice. Pero, ¿allá las pintan de volada también o?
Not even a week.
So then, do you have to go in or right in the border? Es para adentro, right? Yeah. Porque me imagino right in the border, ya saben que vienes del border y te van a cobrar. Yeah. ¿Y qué dijo el vato que le vendió? Just, he does what he does, las arma para venderlas. Or... He had it with these rims?
Yeah.
So odd combination. Badass paint. Fucking black
Esta vez ya no me le faltaban los rines.
black fucking mud tires.
Ya no le quiso meter más, man.
Damn. Yeah.
The real, the 14
Oh, it's nice. It's like a smoke. Is it black or it's fucking dark gray?
What's up, man?
It's black. Look good, look good. Oh, let's get these bad boys on, my boy. 17x11 Weld. Weld action, my boy. No, tiene todo el show ahí atrás.